The game that
When I was a
inspired me.
child, I invented a machine. Now, all this machine was a row of boxes. We have a rightmost box, and we have boxes that extend off to the left as far as we desire. And what we do is play a game. We always put dots into the rightmost box, but we have one rule, and that rule is whenever we have two dots in any box, they explode, they go kapow, and become one dot, one space to the left. Hence, I call this thing a 2-to-1 machine, written in kind of a funny backwards way. But what we're going to get is a code for numbers. If we put in just one dot into the machine, well, nothing happens. We need two dots to explode. So the code for one is just one. But we put in a second dot into the machine. Now we have two dots in that rightmost box. So they explode, kapow, and become one dot, one space to the left. Now, what do we have? Well, we have nothing, nothing, nothing going forever to the left, but then one, nothing. So I'm not going to write zeros forever to the left. I can say the code for 2 in this machine is going to be 1, 0. Then I can put in a third dot, always into the rightmost box. Well, nothing happens because I need two dots in a box to explode. So if I put in that third dot, I'm just going to have 1, 1. The code for 3 is going to be 1, 1. But 4 is going to be kind of exciting, I think. We put in a fourth dot into the rightmost box. We have the explosion, kapow, become two dots, one space to the left. But then we're going to have two dots in that box. So cuff the whack, double explosion. Oh my goodness. And they explode and become one dot, one space to the left. We're done exploding. And what do we have? We have nothing, nothing, nothing going forever to the left. And then we have one, nothing, nothing. So the code for 4, I guess, is going to be 1, 0, 0. Put in a fifth dot. Boom, there it is in the rightmost box. And you see 1, 0, 1. Can you see what 6 is in your mind's eye? We'll put in the sixth dot. You have the explosion. Kapow! Dot. And then I guess you're going to have 1, 1, 0. What's the code for, I don't know, 13? I don't know, right? That seems kind of hard. But could you do it? Could you go ahead and put in 13 dots in this machine, do your explosions, and see what the code for maybe what 13 is in this machine? Hours of fun. Hours of fun playing and getting codes for numbers in this 2-to-1 machine. But then, as a child, I had a flash of insight, and I realized I could just change the rules on the machine. Instead of doing a 2-to-1 machine, I could do a 3-to-1 machine. And then what happens? Oh my goodness, hours of fun playing in these exploding dot machines. And what happens if you go up to and go really crazy and up to, I don't know, how about a 10